Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to make a voucher entry as an invoice. In the last video we have discussed how to make a voucher entry, but it is learned as a how to make a voucher entry as a voucher, but we have not discussed how to make a voucher entry as an invoice. For the purpose of making a voucher entry, you just have to press on accounting voucher from a gateway of Tally, or you can press just V from your keyboard. As soon as you press V or select accounting voucher creation window will open. Now suppose you want to make an entry for your purchase transaction, you have to press F9 in from your keyboard or select from the right hand side F9 purchase. As soon as you press F9, accounting voucher creation window will open. Now you can see the display is here as per the accounting invoice. So it is an entry for invoice. If you want to make an entry as a voucher, then just select as a voucher from your right hand side or just press Ctrl V from your keyboard. So this way display will be coming up. Now this way a entry as a voucher we already learned. Here we are going to learn how to make an entry as an invoice in a case of a purchase transaction. So I just select as an invoice from my right hand side. So this way display will be coming up. Now for the purpose of GST accounting, you must remember three things. Under GST regime, CGST and SGST is charged on a supply value in case of an intrastate transaction. Intrastate transaction means same state, means purchaser is in same state and seller is also in the same state. So both party is in the same state, then CGST and SGST would be charged. In case of a interstate transaction, IGST is charged, means purchaser in Gujarat and seller is in Maharashtra, then it is the case of interstate transaction and IGST is charged. Generally, you can claim a credit of your tax charge on purchase against the tax payable on a sale under the GST regime. So these are the three important things you must remember while making a GST accounting. Now we are going to entry for a purchase transaction as a invoice. Now for a purchase transaction as a invoice, you can have a two option. You can enter as a accounting invoice as well as a voucher invoice. If you want to enter as a accounting invoice, here there is a tab. This is item invoice tab. If you want to only invoice as a accounting invoice, then just press here, so your accounting invoice window will open. In the accounting invoice window, you cannot enter stock item. So if you don't want to enter any stock item, then you can select accounting invoice option. So now we will start the entry. Purchase made for sundry item from PQR Limited on 1st May 2020. Bill detail as under: basic value 7,000, CGST tax 630, SGST tax 630, total value 8260. Now here there is a no stock item is given, so we will make entry as a accounting invoice. So what is the entry? Here you can enter your bill number. Here you have to write your date. Here you have to write your supplier invoice number. Here you have to write your party name. What is our party name? PQR Limited. So PQR Limited is not in our list of account. So I just press Alt C. My ledger creation window is open. PQR Private Limited, under which head? Under it is sundry creditor heads. You can write here address, pin code, PAN number, etc. if you want. So PQR Limited account is going to be done. Now what is the our transaction? It is for purchase. So you have to select purchase. What is the amount for purchase? 7,000. Now you have to press enter and you have to press again enter. You have to press enter. After that you have to select the tax item, that is CGST. What is CGST? 630. SGST 630. So in this way your purchase entry will be done. The benefit in the case of entry as per the accounting invoice is that the total of the bill value will be coming automatically. Further, it is quite easy to make an entry on the basis of a bill via this mode. So in this way, you can make an entry of purchase as an accounting invoice. Now suppose you want to make a entry of purchase transaction as an item invoice. How can you make entry? You have to select Alt I from your keyboard, or you have to select item invoice option from your right hand side. Again, when you select item invoice menu, you can write name of item here. So you can enter your stock item detail here. Now just consider the accounting entry. Purchase of SS Pata from Rahul Steel as on 10 May 2020. Details are as under. SS Pata 1000 kg at 98 per kg. Basic value is 100. 1000 multiplied by 98, so 98,000. IGST is 17640 and total value is accordingly. So how can I make enter? I just have to enter here date 10/5/2020. I can write here supplier bill number. What is my party name? Rahul Steel. The Rahul Steel is not here, so I just press Alt C and I can prepare ledger for Rahul Steel. You can write here his additional detail if you want. Just press enter, ledger will be done. Now you have to select your purchase ledger. Now what is the stock item here? SS Pata. You have to write quantity 98 kg. What is the quantity? Sorry, 1000 kg. What is the rate? 98 kg. So total amount is 98,000. Now you have to select your tax ledger. What is our tax ledger? Is IGST. So IGST account 17640. So in this way, you can make an entry for your or purchase transaction as an item invoice. The benefit, you can see that the total value will come automatically in this way. Further, it is very easy to make an entry in this way. Thank you very much.